dumbass done lost his shoe in the fucking mud.
I want to see what they look like.
Jarhead does nice. It's not coming up as fast as the other.
Yeah, it is.
It's not as big as the other one.
Yeah, it is.
Hi, Mom.
What is it? A piece of
Oh shit. Say something for the folks back home, Nap.
There's a huge sandstorm coming.
Is that what that is?
And, yeah, that's probably gonna go pitch black.
No, it ain't. That's the wrath of God. You didn't know? Dude, look at the big old clouds. They brown. I'm strong. Look at me. I got something to say to folks at home.
Okay, I'm coming around. Woo! It's getting close.
Set up barbed wire around the city.
We did it was just to make a lane because we thought mines were there.
Yeah.
Make a lane about that.
We were
big.
practicing that shit in Cuba, and I was like, dude, we're never gonna do this, man.
Well,
Like, there
you
ain't
make a
no
lane
way.
about this big,
Yeah.
and then you put a little flag, and you're supposed to walk on the left side of the flag.
And go all the way.
I'm getting 8 up, man.
Are you able to take like any pictures with that fucking thing?
No.
You know what I can do though? On your Sony video editing thing? Is that I can actually like take a fucking picture from that thing, you know that? And I can put it on my fucking
No, we're getting a backdraft off the storm.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, this is like getting really fucking close too. It's about to come up over the berm. I mean, this is fucking. Yeah, this is about as big as the last one. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is fucking like crazy.
That is wicked. Look at this backdraft. You better hurry, he's gonna get screwed. Hello, right, left, right, yo. Jeez. It's getting dirty, I heard. Oh, that's a good idea to get up there. Everybody's out here watching the show. How far would you say that ridge line is?
Ridge line.
Say 800 yards?
I'd say it's about a click.
getting flanked here. Hey, look at this! Look at it circulating on the baseball field.
Yeah, I see it. Little fucking cyclone almost time to take out. Yeah, this thing's gonna like, I think it's gonna hit us at an angle or something. That's what it looks like.
Well, it's definitely just as massive as the last one that hit us. Main side's gone. Here comes the wind.
My eyes are very gone.
Yeah, I've already got crap all in my eyes. This is massive.
Look at that shit.
Getting dark.
You know what I can actually do?
What's
I can
that?
take video clips of this on your computer, and I can actually put it on a CD where you can put it in like a DVD drive or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, well, there's that side of it. It's completely circled all the way around us before it even hit us. That's weird. That last one it was like a solid wall. It just came in. It finally got over the ledge down there.
You mean do some shit like that?
It's getting dark. Getting dark real quick. And here it comes.
Oh, yeah, here it comes. It looks like this thing's just like accelerated, you know? Oh shit, hey, you gotta watch this. Here it comes, man. You see it? Oh, watch this shit. That's Here it comes. Alright, here it comes.
It's the only light left. Go towards the light. Oh, they're screwed. I can't. This thing won't even focus. There's so much shit in there. What's this guy doing?
Yeah!
Oh, I lost it. He threw a bag or something. Alright, Nat, what do you think? I got too much dirt in my eye, man.
This has gotta like, dude, we gotta wait for the fancy fish flag.
The Saints ain't no good on 2005. They got like an 8 and 7 record. Ah! You guys watching those seats? Start yelling and stuff. You got eyes on this thing?
That's mine. I got eyes on it.
It's actually mine. You know what I'm saying, killer?
Let's see. Alright. Only change might happen. Alright, third squad. When we get there, they're going to the right of the track because their track is going to be pointed down Ohio. Alright. So when we get out at first, alright, we might have to shift right. The only thing is just make sure nobody's in front of the track. What we need to make sure of is that White's team and the machine gun team's left of the track. Everybody else can go right of the track. So when you get out, do it the way we always do it. But if third squad's there on the left, then fuck, because it depends on space, obviously. If third squad's there on the left, or we don't have enough room for White's team, then fucking we'll shift right. Alright, just nobody in front of the track. That's the only thing I ask. Do it the way we always do it. We'll have a saw gunner jump out, probably be guide. And fucking he'll get with his team afterwards. Or you know what, we can make it just sausage. That makes more sense. As I'm concerned, I'm not gonna give you a motive speech because I don't do that. But fucking just listen to your team leaders. Be wary of where you're shooting. Alright? We have to shoot left and right. We got friendlies to our left and right. Alright? If you're in doubt, fucking ask somebody. If you have no shit, ID, take the shot. Worry about it later. Alright? But just make sure you know where everybody's at. If you don't know, ask your team leader or ask me. I'll tell you. Alright? Fucking, as far as ROEs are concerned, you know about every vehicle. If it's stationary, gets destroyed. Comes towards us, gets destroyed. Alright? Don't be wasting rounds and dumb shit. Alright? If it's fucking built up building, 5.56 ain't gonna do much to it. Alright? Let me call the track and fucking we'll take care of it from there. Fucking just do what you're told. Do what you're taught. Make sure you're thinking individual actions, alright? Because your team there can't be everywhere, and I certainly can't. Just keep doing what you guys have been doing, alright? That's basically all I got. Any questions on any of this shit? Oh, one more thing. Don't fall in love with the plan, because I guarantee you as soon as we get there, shit's it's all gonna change anyway. So. But whatever. Alright? Alright, guys. Boosters.
It's gonna be loud.
Wagner, you're going in right after it goes.
As soon as that truck's gone, you go.
Bill 6, Bill 1. Rod,
It's not fortified. Alright, tracks are bounding up. Come in behind our 6.
That thing's smoking.
Yeah. Hey, turn this around on me. Give me. Alright. No, it's recording. Other way. Dumbass. Alright, we're here. Operation fucking Spear. What city is this? Karabillah?
Something like that.
Karabillah, we're in the city of Karabillah. We're gonna fight for the city. Fucking Operation Matador, about a month ago, went east of here at Haditha. We're moving in. We got Mujali here. We got a bunch of bad guys. We just not got in the city. We'll see. So the following footage over the next couple of days will be this fight right here, right now. Good to go? Hey, we got 6 males, young, and another 6 women inside. That's how it's all right.
You want me to call it in? You guys got them, they're right.
It's all got armor piercing rounds and like put those in my like, goddamn.
Hurry up! Sandoval, get back! That's what I'm talking about.
My two, let's go. Leg, we're going.
Hang on, I'm getting some good footage here. Hey, I'm right above you, right above you. What just happened? There's a building over there we got a sniper in. Been keeping us pinned down. They've been keeping us pinned down on the street, so we called in F-18 drop a 500-pound bomb on the building. That's what happens when you piss off an F-18. I don't know if I'm getting anything on footage here. Let's do this. Fucking get some!
They will sit, they'll one.
Now.
They will sit, they will sit.
Alright, here comes the fucking Huey. Watch the Huey fucking get some. Fuck! Hey, stay low, quit standing up. Alright, well, hey, what does everybody think so far? White?
It's hot.
Gray? Grub?
It's hot.
Jeez, man, we're in the best part of our lives and everybody just wants to bitch about how hot it is. Izzy, give me something, man.
Holy shit.
I'm all about it, man. I don't care.
Sand ball.
I'm hot,
I saw a gunner.
Awesome.
How many rounds you go through on that rooftop?
200?
Are you serious?
Did you go through a fucking drum?
I need to start talking.
Alright, hey.
Junior,
Hi,
a rocket launcher.
Hey, you guys gotta start conserving ammo, alright? Talking guns, shit like that. If it doesn't come from me, that's cool. Like, you guys opened up, I didn't have to say shit. You guys opened up, that's good. Cause I was on the net trying to fucking explain what the fuck's going on so we get fucking those helos in. But you guys gotta conserve ammo, alright? If your teammate is not there to do it, you could say, hey, fucking, just saw.
Smile! And we get a breather. We get to sit in here in a nice little palace, take a break. That's not any worse with the camera? Huh?
I'm hot.
Everybody's hot.
Here we go.
Send it, come on! Fuck that. Alright, bring it up inside the house.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
What's that green smoke for? Are they calling for fire?
You should have seen that fucking explosion. I got it all on tape. It missed the road and it went over the wall.
Jeez, I see it now, right there. We were destroying the city. Oh.
We can't fucking shoot because they're...
We're bringing the heat! There's the big boys right there. M1 Abram. Turn sideways, there we go.
Hang it up, baby. Don't play. Seen a colonel when we were walking by.
You saw the colonel? Where's he at?
Well, not the third bird.
Oh, Lieutenant Colonel? Cassidy? May? I don't know his name. Now they're still hitting this building over here. That's about to fall down. There's still muzzle flashes coming out from that building. Where? Somebody's in top of that roof.
I don't know how you're gonna get
I
down.
want to see if that M1's gonna hit it. There it goes. Yeah!
You got that, did you?
Yeah, I got that one.
Holy shit.
There was still somebody up there. I saw the muscle flashes coming back.
Eat that fucker.
That M1 is just all kinds of sexy, man.
Huh? This one's got a dick right here.
That's El Nino. He hasn't done nothing today. That's that one up there that just fired. That's a stink fist. Hey, there goes El Nino, man. He's gonna go up there and get some.
Yeah.
He's like, get out of the way, boys. I'm coming up.
Them shots are coming up to the left.
Where?
I'm gonna light it up with the 240. That was cool as fuck, dude.
About a couple of houses, which is the beginning. You know, they were observing how we were going through houses and doing stuff like that, and then probably setting up in the rest of the area.
Sure.
So right now, Black's just calling in there.
Go on, Black. Go, Black. Yay.
I heard fucking Monday was like right here.
10 o'clock Monday?
Yeah.
Fury 6 was here.
Oh.
That's it. That's the only person
Cat my age, I'm getting one thing now. And I know the man that well, but he ain't gonna fuck around with them assholes on the other side of the road. He will bomb them into fucking oblivion. He has no fucking fear or remorse about doing that. Good on him. God bless him.
I didn't know I put all those fucking freaks in.
That's the greatest sound in the world. Hit over here too. Hey, Izzy, watch that window right there.
Hold on, let me get my girl.
It's ridiculous, man.
150 more meters.
Let's pinch that.
It's like about 4 houses maybe.
Where are you getting the resupply? Huh? Where are you getting the resupply?
Best we on right now.
We'll have
We're sexy. But I'd be fine. White people lay out at night.
Hey, buddy.
Are you filming?
No, I'm filming.
Huh?
I'm filming.
Okay, I was picking my nose, dude. You should at least waited.
Oh, mom, she'll still appreciate it.
Oh, tell her I said hi.
Yeah, you just did. I got a lot of feedback to Choctaw, Oklahoma on this thing.
You need one. No, you look like ass. I just need something. You sweat like a hog. What the fuck?
Then I shot a 203 round.
He looked at me like a deer in headlights. He looked at me like, what the fuck are they doing in there? He looked at me and went, I put two, I had it on burst. I put two bursts in there and he took off. He went the other way. Stupid fuck.
Nobody really extension.
No, we're gonna fucking mortar, man. What? And no, what do you think this is called?
Salam alaikum, ha ha. Fuck you.
It's probably nothing, but I ain't fucking with fucking.
Well, it's going on. It's going on 2000. And we're going to fighting all day. But things have been pretty quiet here for about the last hour or so. Most of the moods pulled out. And what we're doing now is we're just finding a bunch of IEDs. They came in and set IEDs all through these houses and then pulled out. So now we have to take every house real slow and watch where we're going so we don't get blowed up. I'm pretty quiet now. Huh? No, I got real security. What'd you say, Grub?
Look like this motherfucker was shooting at us earlier and now they're just hanging out with us. Definitely get.
Yeah. Get some. I don't know what it is. Whatever it is, we're lighting up. It's right. It's pretty close. It's right over there.
I know there's a nigga over here somewhere.
Alright, what's going on here is penetration here. That whole building right there is this building's a bunker. Put a hole in it. And we're gonna send a little guy over here in. And get it to work. They going again?
On the track, so moving.
Cock it. Hey, Edge, get up on line. Get up on line.
Hey, man.
Get it up there.
Go. Go.
Let's go.
Back blast, stay on clear! Fire the hole! Hit him. Good fucking hit! That a baby girl! Woo! Boy, I can't hear a damn thing.
What are they doing? It's rocket, Wagner.
What?
Rocket.
Whew. I hear bells ringing.
Oh, they're throwing another grenade.
He's calling for a frag.
The weapons cache. Huh?
Alright, one man just switched to two man, he's pulling a frag. Well, he's just standing in front of the window. I don't think there's anything in there. Frag out.
That's pretty cool.
We're going in.
I bet you're like, fuck, we can't see anything. We shouldn't have done that.
Boy, he just smoked that building with that AT-4. That was a good job.
What do you aim at?
He hit. I got it right here on film.
No, what did he have as a...
It was at 200, it was about a 150-yard shot, and he hit about 4 inches. Hang on, gotta wait for the smoke to clear. No, he had about, I don't know, about a foot above the window. So he was pretty high. But still, he just smoked that building.
A little bit of drawing. Alright, make the sun go away, baby.
Things that go boom, volume 22.
Alright, they're going to go to 17,
23.
then 18, which is over here, and then we're going to move to 20, that building directly east of this bunker. See that big one over there?
Blatantly. You want me to...
You wanna bang it?
Yeah.
Bang it.
Who's flashbang? Huh? Who's flashbang? Stop it. We're not here. Gray? Yep. Go stand right in front of that pylon. Go. Hurry up. Throw it hard, please.
Frag out. Go, 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 go. Come around, Sandoval, come around. Go, go, go. Go, go. What do you got? Alright, hold on. Hey, come in the hallway, come in the hallway. Move down that way. Got front hallway. Going in. Clear right. Come on.
Stand by there.
Holding.
Hey, I got you straight, go.
Going. Then the same room on the right. Doors on the right, lead outside. T-shaped hallway. Covered left.
Hey, what up? Badger! Let's go! You going this room straight? You're tackle them.
My side, we're rolling right.
I'm going straight. You cover the hallway left. Got it? Got it? Ready?
Going.
2.
2 open doors left. Coming down. Pick up the second room. We're going in this room. Clear. Hit that room. Hit that room. Clear. Coming down. One more. Good. Hit it.
Watch the fucking shit.
Going in. Clear. Clear right. We just practiced school. incendiary grenade.
Hey, what's this man? Don't go inside there. Now back up out of there.
Know what we think would be an idea? Wooden box.
Hey, you can come around. It's an incendiary grenade. You can come around. It's just burning. That's all it does, is burn. Hey, Rick, you want to say hi? Say hi back home.
Taking it to the moosh.
Taking it to the mood. What's up, Dobby? Hey guys. How we doing?
What's going on? Hey Wagner.
Corporal Maddox, what's up?
Just motivating.
It is, Ryan, it is. Yes.
Whose AT4 is that?
It's mine.
Why do you have it there?
Huh?
Why do you have it there?
Staff sergeant just fucking put the incendiary on it.
Oh.
I hate that.
All those big ass dust storms we have at Al-Karābilah, I think that's the U.S. government. That's a big old bomb. So, hi, Mom. Things are downright scary, man. Plague comes. Once you get some the mighty Beowulf fucking. Yeah. Okay, where'd that come from, the saw?
Is that it? No, it didn't sound like an M16 to me.
No, that was definitely incoming.
Just making sure, okay.
Definitely an AK.
Is Darby over there shooting that AK?
Don't make us proud, White.
Don't get up, buddy.
I'll stay here. I'm nice and comfortable laid down.
I got my weapon right here.
Plenty of rounds. Ready, Wagner?
Yeah, send it.
1, 2, 3. That's mine.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, I got that bitch. Mine was a little hot.
Right on. You're right on there.
That was mine. Fucker.
We got a white flag on it.
That was mine.
No, that was his.
Oh,
Mine was a little hot.
My name is Ron White, from Louisiana, Kaplan, Louisiana. I'm in first squad, second team leader.
Williams Jr. Colin D. Lance Corporal, United States Marine Corps, Gainesville, Florida, 21 years old.
Dylan Bagron from Louisiana, first squad, first team leader.
I'm Lance Corporal Gray. I'm from DC. I'm a rifleman.
What the hell am I supposed to say?
Name, where you from, what do you do?
Lance Corporal Jasal, Tab, Bronx, New York. I'm a grunt.
Scott Spivey, St. Augustine, Florida. Gun squad. I'm a gunner.
Set, go.
Sandoval, Las Vegas, Nevada, first squad, third team, saw gunner. Wagner's a hoe.
My name is Lance Corporal Neil Sampson. I'm in third squad. I'm a rifleman.
Where you from?
Toledo, Ohio.
Awesome.
Michael Bergeron, Massachusetts. 11th Street, to be exact. Fucking.
We're in the doorman.
I'm Shoemake from Mount Juliet, Tennessee. That's what I do. 0311, grunt.
Lance Corporal Sharp, Farmington Hills, Michigan, third squad, rifleman.
Andy McKnight, Rochester, New York, platoon corpsman.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Josh Simonson, Bellingham, Massachusetts. Team leader, third team, third squad, third platoon.
I'm on now.
Yeah.
Lance Corporal Sloganhop. I'm with 3rd Squad. I'm from Parker, Pennsylvania, and I'm a saw gunner.
Go.
Go what?
Name, where you from, what fucking squad, and what you do.
Lance Corporal Slav, Reading, Pennsylvania. 3rd Squad, 2nd Fire Team, rifleman.
recording. That's purple. I'm sorry. Back from the 3rd squad.
Go.
Charlotte, North Carolina. Cliff, Gola. I'm in 2nd squad, 1st fire team, and I'm a saw gunner.